Welcome back to Car New Updates, your trusted channel for the latest and most exciting updates that matter to every Indian enthusiast. Today, we are not talking about cars but about something much bigger, something that shows India's growing power and technological progress on the world stage. Yes, we are talking about India's new missile system of 2058, a groundbreaking development that has stunned military experts around the world. India has always been at the forefront of defense technology, and this new missile represents a huge leap forward in our country's defense capabilities. The new missile, developed under the ambitious Advanced Strategic Defense Program, is designed to be faster, more accurate, and capable of neutralizing threats in record time. It uses next-generation propulsion systems that allow it to reach hypersonic speeds, making it almost impossible to intercept. This is a major achievement because speed is one of the most critical factors in modern missile warfare. By achieving hypersonic capabilities, India has joined the exclusive club of countries that possess this advanced technology. The missile is not just about speed. Its precision targeting system is state-of-the-art. Equipped with advanced AI and navigation systems, it can identify and track moving targets even in the most challenging conditions. Whether it is day or night, rain or shine, this missile can strike with pinpoint accuracy. This precision ensures minimum collateral damage and maximum impact on the target, a feature that makes it highly effective in real combat situations. Another key highlight of the new missile is its range. It can travel thousands of kilometers, allowing India to protect its interests far beyond its borders. This extended range is crucial for strategic deterrence and for maintaining a strong defensive posture in the region. In addition, the missile can carry multiple types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear payloads, giving military planners a flexible and powerful tool to respond to any threat. One of the most impressive aspects is its stealth capabilities. The missile has been designed with advanced stealth technology to avoid detection by enemy radar systems. This means it can approach its target without being noticed until it is too late for any defensive action. This stealth factor gives India a huge advantage and significantly increases the chances of a successful strike. The development of this missile is the result of years of dedicated research and hard work by India's top scientists and engineers. Organizations like DRDO and various private partners have collaborated to make this dream a reality. Their tireless efforts have not only boosted national security but also showcased India's growing expertise in high-end defense technology. India's new missile of 2058 has already started to change the strategic balance in Asia. Neighboring countries and global superpowers are closely watching this development, and it is clear that India is now a major player in the high-tech arms race. This missile strengthens our defense and sends a strong message that India is ready to protect its sovereignty and interests at any cost. As Indian citizens, we should feel proud and confident in our nation's capabilities. Our defense forces are becoming stronger and more advanced, ensuring our safety and security. The introduction of this new missile also opens up possibilities for further advancements in space technology, satellite defense systems, and even civilian aerospace applications in the future. If you enjoyed this detailed update on India's new missile of 2058, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Car New Updates for more interesting content not only about cars but also about major technological and defense updates from India and around the world. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most authentic information. Thank you for watching and Jai Hind.